Hello, you are welcome to lesson 3 second video, and today we'll be discussing visual meaning. Visual meaning is still under data management. Alright. Alright, so if the video will be too long, you can maybe add compute variable to it. So you have lesser videos, you can watch it at the same time. Alright, so visual being, I said transforming scale to nominal data. Alright, so in a situation where most times questionnaires are collected in questionnaires, the variable age is collected in closed-ended. That means you have things like below 18, 19 to 25, 26 to 35, and so on. But here we have collected it in open-ended formats, like respondents had to just write their age as at last birthday. That are 28, 27, 23, 30, 42, and so on. So now we can't go back to the field and just collect age. To go back to the field, that means we are doing all the survey all over again. But now the survey has been done and we have this in a format that we do not want. So how can we make it a nominal variable? All right, so that's transformation. You come here, transform, and come to visual beginning. Then have age. It's at last birthday. Age of staff, continue. So here, this is where you do your visual being. Here, say build variable. This is the current variable v3. So I'm going to call this v3. Then, okay, on a personal note, I don't like this. It puts a label, age of staff build. So I usually call it something like age group. So you can use levels or groups or categories and so on. So I prefer age group. All right, now it's giving me an information saying the minimum age in this among these respondents is 19 and the maximum is 54. Now here I can see their distribution. They have a lot of people around 26, a lot around 33, 35, 36, and so on. Now 19 to 54. How would I want to share them? Let me think. Maybe 19 to 25. Yeah, let's say 25. And I want to cut this into 25 to 30. That's 2, 30, 35, 34. So I want to cut this to 2. So the next thing I do is make cut points. First cut point location 25. Number of cut points 4. Okay, so here is dicey. I want 4 groups. So number of cut points would be 3. So the usual example I give people is if you have a big loaf of bread and you want to share it among 4 people, how many times do you cut? You want to share a big loaf of bread among 4 people. How many times do you cut? How many times do you put your knife to cut? So you should cut 3 times, all things being equal. You should cut 3 times. So number of cut points should be 3. So SPSS will help us to calculate the width. Now, if I don't want that, maybe I just want to put the first, then I want to put. Alright, so if you if on the other way around, if you put this first, it will help you calculate this and so on. But I think this is fine. Then I apply. So if I have any issue here, this can be adjusted. So if I feel from 19 to 25 will be too small, I have too small respondents here, though be doing that all the time. There should be a reason why you are shifting this. Most times they should have the same intervals. Let me just drop it back where it was. Alright, 25. You can also come here to change. You can change from here from 25 to 30. So it changes here. So anyhow you like it can be changed. So you can say it back to 25. So label, this is like 25. You can call them young. Sorry, young. Uh, Young adults. Well, use them elderly. Alright, I don't mind my classifications, just for example. Okay, so after doing all this, I'm good to go. Then I have okay. So it wants me beginning specification will create one variable. Yes, please. Alright, so these are the codes I'm supposed to write. If you come here, here we have V3B. Youth, young adults, young elderly, young adults. Alright, so now I can check my descriptives frequency for this. Control A, come back there, compare, just reset, compare, age group, compare. Okay, so here I have young 4, young adults 17, youth 13, elderly 6, total 40. Alright, so I would like you to practice this by yourself, then also try to the income, try visual billing for income as well. Just a reminder, let me do a descriptive for scale variables here quickly. Then let me use it to also, okay, let me just do analyze. I could use frequencies of descriptives, anyone. Okay, oh, okay, I think I've done that before. I think I've done that before. But well, let's just revise. So options, minimum, I can take standard error, variance, range, if I want the curtosis, that's test for normality, blah, blah, blah. Alright, here you go. Thank you and see you in the next class. Compute.